I love red and I love a lot of bass. So it's only right I got the Beats Studio Buds. So let's check these things out. Perfect. These are actually my first pair of Beats. Beats was just always way too overpriced for me, and I just couldn't justify paying that much money for some headphones that didn't have the best audio quality. When these came out at $150, I was like, you know, that's a fair price, and I actually want to check these out because this seems like they're the first product that Apple made that looks like it's to be focused on Android users, even though it works really well with iOS. But just based off the specs, it seems like it was specifically made to get into the Android market. So that's why I kind of like jumped in and wanted to check these out, and also because they red. So let's see what these are all about. These are the Beats Studio Buds, have active noise cancellation and transparency mode. So you see right here, this works for, interesting, it's made for Apple TV. I don't know how that's work out, but anyway, also made for iPhone and iPad, and you can get the app on Google Play Store. Oh, I didn't know it was an app for it. These are some true wireless earbuds with USB-C charging. That's one of the main reasons why I feel like they made this to like cater to the Android world, or they might be finally deciding to go away from lightning ports and go to USB-C for everything. But that's a whole nother story, a whole nother discussion. Have 5 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation on, 8 hours with it off, 10 hours with the case, 10 additional hours with the case, and 16 additional hours with the case with active noise cancellation off. So that's a combined 15 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation and 24 hours of active noise cancellation off. Not that great of a battery life, but I'm always charging these things and I don't really use them for that long with any of my buds. I don't think I've ever had a buds die on me. Now that I think about it, yeah, I ain't never had a buds die on me. I think 24 hours is enough for me. Active noise cancellation, powerful balanced sound. I'm really interested to see how the sound quality lines up with these. But enough at looking at the box. Let's open these up in good old Apple fashion. You don't need a knife, you don't need anything. They got these quick little pull tabs to make unboxing really easy. Quick little pull right there. So what it is that we have in here. So these are the buds at the top. Oh, I like this red. It's like a, let's take these out. Actually looks really good. These looks good, but let's put it to the side and see what else we have in here. Here we go. USB-C to USB-C. In a great world where everything is USB-C. So these are the additional tips. You got the smalls and you got the large. In the back we got some books. Try Apple Music for free. Got your pairing with Android instructions. This is direction to connect it. You got your Beats sticker, more books, some more books, and that's it. So let's take a look at the buds. I actually like this color. I mean, of course, a red, but it's like, this is like a, it's a different red from, these are my other favorite red earbuds. I don't use these a lot so often. I use the pros now, but these are still like, I still love this. But this has a more of a flat finish. It's not that shiny, and the case is like really slim, got a little weight to it. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, a little snug fit. Okay, got a little magnets. Magnets is pretty strong. Let's take these out and look at them real quick. Like, I'm not mad at the design. Like, you can easily grip these with the side. Let's try to pair them up real quick. Design looks cool. You see the USB-C charging at the back, the bottom. Got the light. I think that's the battery indicator. Got the Beats logo. Here goes the Bluetooth pairing button. Yeah, let's see Since these are, I feel like these are made for like Android, I am going to try to just pair them with an Android first to see. We're gonna try to see how simple it is to pair with the Pixel phone. Oh, actually worked just like it would work on an iPhone. Just popped up just like that. Even though I wish the case would have been black to, red to match my actual case. But let's connect them real quick. Oh, actually worked just like it would work on an iPhone. Just popped up just like that. Even though I wish the case would have been black to, red to match my actual case. But let's connect them real quick. Bring your Beats close to the Android phone. Open the lid. Yeah, so we already did that. So why is it still asking? Okay, that's cool. All right, now we get the red color to match the actual buds. That was fairly simple. So you can either turn on a noise canceling or transparency mode. That's off. Shows the battery percentage at 92%. The case is at 87%. You can rename the buds. Oh, as soon as I closed it, it shut it off. Like, go back. All right, let's leave this open. All right, so you can rename it. One thing I already don't like, that I kind of already noticed, is this does not have wireless charging. And coming in at 150, I feel like they could have threw in wireless charging on here. But you know, Apple, they gonna hold out features and they gonna come out with the Pro, and it's gonna have everything it should have had in the regular one, and they just charge you another $100 for it just to add wireless charging. But yeah, it's just Apple for you. But anyway, let's see how they fit, and then let's check out the sound. I'm already dropping these things. Oh wow, they fit pretty snug. I think let me see, hold it real quick. Yeah, the transparency mode is on right now, but I don't feel like I hear myself that clearly. It's still just, I don't know. Let me try to see if I turn on noise cancellation, see what happens. That's off. All right, so noise cancellation is on now, and it don't seem any different. It's like transparency mode sound like it was just static. I also noticed there isn't any way in here to adjust like there's no equalizer in the app. Anyway, let's just see how these sounds. But the fit is pretty comfortable. It's actually pretty tight in my ears. I might need to use a smaller tip. I think what's the medium in right now, but they in there pretty snug. Like, they definitely not moving. And most buds don't really fit me too well, but I actually feel like I could possibly work out with these because they're not moving. These are IPX4 water resistant, so it's like sweat resistant. Can't like submerge them in like water or anything, but you should be able to get a good workout in there and not worry about sweating. Let's try some music. What do you want to listen to today? I was listening to Polo G earlier. So you know what? Let's play some Polo G then. Not that loud. Okay, bass. I kind of would expect more coming from Beats. Like, the bass is there, but it's real subtle. They sound all right. Nothing too. There's no wow factor in these. They just sound okay. There's not a lot of bass. The mids is like almost non-existent. Good a bit of highs, but I don't know. I kind of expected more bass. I need something else that's gonna really test out the bass. Some straightening. Oh, Migos. Yeah, they don't even have that much bass. I don't know. I feel like the buds are like struggling to play music. They look good, but they don't really sound that great. Let me try out my Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro and compare the difference. All right, let's play these. Oh, these are, yeah, these sound way better. Sound is just way more balanced on these. All right, let's go back to these and see what they sound like again. I don't know, I like the way these fit, but the sound really sound okay. I don't know, it sounds real muffled. All right, one more thing I need to test out. Phone calls. Let's try to make a phone call real quick. All right, so the phone call quality sound really good. I mean, no one could tell that I was talking on the headphones and not directly through the phone. So that worked out really well. It sounded really good on my side. But I also like listen to like the audio quality again, like playing music, and the sound quality on these are really underwhelming. Like, it's not what I would expect from Apple One, also from Beats. Like, I really thought I was gonna hear like a good amount of bass, and it wasn't there. But I got one more test I want to try out. It's like connecting this to an iPhone, because right now I've been doing it with an Android phone, but I'm gonna connect it to the iPhone and see if the sound quality is a little better. Go ahead and do the setup real quick. It's like the same thing like how the Android phone was. A little bit more of an animation. Go ahead and do the connect. Boom, that fast. All right, so now I'm gonna play some music and see if it sounds any better than what it did on the Android phone. What do I want to listen to? Listen to the baby. Turn the sound up all the way up. I actually sound louder. Still not a lot of bass at all. A lot of highs, not much mids, very little bass. I don't know. The bass is so muffled. Yeah, I think I heard enough. The only difference I could tell is it's a little louder on the iPhone, but the bass just not there. There's very little mids. It's a lot of highs, which is kind of odd. The sound quality isn't all that. So what I think about these, it doesn't give me the Beats vibe. Definitely don't give me the Apple vibe. The AirPods Pro sounds way better than this. It's probably more in line with just the regular AirPods. Maybe the regular AirPods might sound better too. It feels like a high quality, but as far as like features, it's just missing way too many features. I mean, like I said, at the end of the day, it's $150, but no wireless charging. Active noise cancellation don't sound like it's doing anything. Transparency mode just sounds like static. I'm not too impressed right now. And I was like, I feel like this was Apple's like saying, I want to enter into like the Android world, try to take over some of the market share for some of the buds, all the different buds on the Android side, to say let's do it with the Beats. But I feel like they try to water these down too much to not compete with the AirPods, that they actually made these like bad sound quality. Like the sound quality on these is really bad. I'm just gonna say it's just bad. Like there's at least you would think it would have gave you like the bass because it's Beats, but the bass is not even there. But I don't know. I feel like these is a major L. I think these is an L. Like the price is a good price, the design is look good, the case is cool looking, but the sound quality just not there. Just not there. So I'm about to give these an L. But anyway, that's it. I'm Joe, and this was another Joe Tech Talk. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you're feeling the video. Subscribe if you want to catch more from me. But that's it for me. I'm out.